Good morning, everyone. Tamara Lee Ulmer with Arizona Resource Realty, and I am here today in beautiful Alpine Village with Tiffany McDaniel. We are getting ready to walk you through one of our listings over here on 1121 North Tyrolean. Beautiful custom home. As you can see, I'm walking down in the front here. It has just magnificent tall beautiful pine trees here, and it's fully fenced, has RV parking, a one-car garage. We're going to take you for a tour, and so let's go ahead and go on in. Yeah, you can hear the airplanes overhead. It's just a gorgeous day here. Alpine Village is just really well known for just having some beautiful custom homes, and we're super excited.
Welcome.
Good morning. Okay, wow, this is really nice.
This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. It's approximately 1,320 square feet. It's got brand new flooring. The kitchen's all been redone.
Yeah.
Stainless steel appliances.
Beautiful kitchen here.
Really nice upgrade. It's been painted inside and out. Has a brand new water heater.
Super nice. Okay. Oh, that's really nice. Okay, washer and dryer.
Brand new water heater.
Yep, there you go. There's the mechanicals.
No, it's just really nicely remodeled. Great neighborhood.
All right.
And then down here.
Okay, start down here.
The first bathroom is to your left. Again, they put new toilets, new vanities.
Oh, really nice.
First bedroom to your right. Door for you.
Okay. Great size closet. Give you a circle around here. Really nice. The house smells so clean and just really, it is clean and nice and like new.
They did a really good job with the remodel.
Yeah, you can definitely see
The
that.
colors are nice and neutral.
Yeah, I like the colors. The colors are great.
Big master, or I should say main bedroom.
Main bedroom, yeah. And I love that it walks out onto a patio there.
Yeah, they added that.
Porch.
Just
Covered porch,
last
actually,
year.
yeah.
Yep.
Oh, wow, that's really nice.
We got some mountain views.
Sure.
Nice fenced yard.
Okay.
Walk-in closet.
Yeah, that's super important. Really a nice closet there.
All right. Main bathroom.
Yeah. Okay, so that's really a nice size bathroom. Full tub and shower.
I guess it would if I took the
Okay.
It's a nice size fenced yard.
Yeah, it sure
and if
is.
you want to go down that way, Tamara, I'll let you in.
Yeah, this is really nice. Great yard. Tall pine trees. And you can sure smell them too. Really wonderful. Looks like I think she's gonna let me in right here. So you've got an entry to the garage.
Hello.
Hello.
Surprise, surprise. So it's a one-car
Okay.
garage, but it's a nice size garage.
Yeah, it sure
And
is.
then you've got this bonus
okay.
little workshop area.
Oh yeah, that's really nice. Just storage. Lots of storage.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
All right, guys, again, we're at 1121 North Tyrolean. Anyway, Payson, Arizona. Another beautiful listing by Arizona Resource Realty. If you have any questions or would like to schedule a time to view, reach out. Make it a great day.